Hi there, it's been a little while since I've made a video for this channel. I was gardening in Georgia and I've moved to Japan, and it was quite a process, but I'm finally gonna start gardening again and I'm super excited. So one of the first things I need to do is go pick up some supplies. I have fabric pots already and I need soil, and maybe I could get a couple of starter plants. I'll probably be planting by seed with a lot of things, but it helps to get something going straight away. So I'm gonna pick out something and do that. This is my first plant and a sample of the fabric pots I'm gonna be using. It's nice and thick, but also with these handles, very portable, so I can move it into the shed if there's a typhoon. And all this is green onions, the little nubs from the grocery store that were left after we chopped them and used them in our food. Put them in the soil and they regrow. One of the simplest, most inexpensive vegetable plants or herbs you could have. So today I'm gonna take you with me to Makeman, which is like the Japanese version of Home Depot. But it's so much fun. And so you'll see in a little bit their logo and the music and everything about the experience. That's a lot of fun. And I'm gonna be able to get my soil and maybe some plants. Well, there's Makeman over there. And then bowling alley. The video game arcade, which we can't go to because of COVID, which is sad. So excited to be there. Yeah?
Giant teddy bear.
Yeah. Oh, cool. Can you show me over here?
There's more flowers over here.
Yeah.
And again, some flowers.
Oh, this is like the craft section. Yeah. We gotta go to the garden section. See those fish? Oh.
Put them in here,
Mm-hmm.
or in here, or we put them in here, Mom.
In here?
Yeah.
Okay, I spent about $40, which is not terrible. I could have totally spent more, but I'm trying to be budget conscious. So I got more plants than I thought I would because they were about 47 yen each. These ones were. Some cost more, but you know, I've got okra, marigold, which is a good companion to the little tomato plants that I got, eggplant, and a cucumber. So that's quite good. 100 yen for each of these little bags. So I got a bunch, and I'm gonna need more later, but got off to a good start. I just noticed that cat in the window and looked up, and it's a cat cafe. Didn't realize they added that here. That's fun. Yep, so you see it now?
Yes, I do. I see it. It's so ridiculous, I thought.
Maybe when the restrictions lift, we'll visit it. We can't go to inside dining right now because of COVID, but anyway, that's kind of fun. Okay, I hope you enjoyed joining me, seeing Makeman and where I get my little plants. I'm gonna enjoy potting up these lovely little plants here. So I'll show you how they look on a later video. Thanks for watching.